Hey guys, welcome to Rhoda Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious cheese rolls. I was making them for my children. This is just a little eyeball recipe that I did. I do have the full recipe that makes 10 to 12 cheese rolls in the description box as usual. But right here I'm just making a few for my kids because I am not trying to get a quarantine body. So I'm just doing it for my kids. So into my all-purpose flour, I add some shortening and some butter, and on hand I have cold water with ice in it just to make sure that it is super cold. So what you're gonna see me do here is just kind of mash the butter and the shortening into the flour. And you can add right here, you could flavor this dough however you want. You could put granulated garlic, you could put parsley, Italian seasoning if you want, but I'm just sticking to the good old recipe. So I am just using my hands, my clean hands, to bring this mixture together until it looks like little crumbs, and it will stick together when I squeeze it in my hand. That's how I know it's time to add the water. And please, let's not add too much water, just a bit at a time. And sometimes you need less or more depending on the temperature of your kitchen. Set that off to the side, and remember the full recipe will be in the description box. I am just making about I made four for this video for my kids because I was having any. I am on restricted eating from flour and gluten, stuff like that for now. So these will be for the chili granny. Okay, little quarantine sneaky snack situation. So just mix it up very, very well and put it to the side, put it in the refrigerator, and let's assemble these babies. So because I'm only making a few of these cheese rolls, I decided to break the dough off and roll it out individually. So I just took a piece off, I rolled it out on my floured surface, and I floured my rolling pin, and then I just used my knife to cut the shape, the classic rectangular shape, and just to make sure it looks nice and neat. If you're using the full recipe, which will be in the description box, you would just roll the whole dough out on your floured surface and use a knife or a pizza cutter to cut all the shapes, all the rectangular shapes, and then you would just trim the edges from the full thing. So here you're supposed to use the egg wash, which is 1 egg yolk, not a full egg, 1 egg yolk and 2 teaspoons of water, and you would put that on the very edge of the dough before you fold it over to seal it up with your fork, and that will make sure that it stays together. And then you want to keep your egg wash on hand because that's what you're going to put over the top of your pastry before you put it into a preheated 350-degree oven. The ones that I was giving him, and just give it to him straight away. But these are the results. I took pictures with and without flash just so you can see, and here they are on the inside. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what else you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.